Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we have for sale a 2009 Forest River Sunseeker model 2860. This unit was, I purchased this unit in South Florida. On the other side, a limb had fallen on the edge of the roof, so it will have a rebuilt salvage title. We bought it that way and we're going to sell it that way. We drove it 1,100 miles. It drove fantastic. It's on the new Ford chassis and it has 10,000 actual miles. Has a electric awning. All the glass is good. Tires are good. Has a generator. One big super slide in the living room and a bedroom slide. There's a piece of diamond plate here on the corner. The roof, we have resealed and rechecked the roof. It is not a 100% completely like new fix. It's usable and it looks decent. But it was at one time had a limb on the roof. Backup camera, tow package. I'll show you the roof. The air conditioner was cracked. The top of it was cracked, but it still operates fine. There has been work done on the roof of this unit. It's sealed, it does not leak, but it also does not look factory. Huge basement storage here in the back. Other basement storages along the side. Sides of the camper look real nice. We'll walk inside. Tires are great. On the right has a table booth that makes into a bed. Overhead cabinets. Big bed up top. Nice leather two-tone front seats. They're not worn or torn. They look fantastic. Has a CD player, place to plug in your iPhone, play your iTunes. Behind the driver's seat is the super slide. Has a couch that makes into a bed. Overhead cabinets. Microwave, 3-burner stove, an oven, double sink with cover. Has a Dometic refrigerator. Super clean. Past that is a cabinet. Has a pantry that pulls out. Just past that is the shower. Shower's real nice. On the opposite side is the bathroom. Has a nice cabinet, stool, cabinet, sink, dressing mirror. In the back is the bedroom. Lots of cabinet space over here on the left and a place for a TV. A big queen size bed that slides from left to right. And the slide out. All the damage in the unit was from this point right here forward, from the hallway back. It's all factory. Has new paneling in the ceiling. All the way throughout the front. Central air throughout the unit. Carpet in the back. Vinyl throughout the rest. Overall, this unit is in decent condition. You can go use it, camp right now, just like you could if it was $55,000. But it's significantly less than that. Good luck bidding.